In our new third generation EcoDiesel engine, we wanted to further improve the engine torque up to 480 pound-per-feet. It's about 14% more than current engine. We also achieved an improved engine power, about 260 HP, it's 8% more than current engine, and it was almost all achieved with the improved fuel economy. We had to completely redesign the combustion system. In particular, we had to redesign the intake ports, we had to redesign the piston, the combustion chamber, and the fuel system, all aimed to further improve the fuel economy and reduce emission. There is also a new turbocharger, new generation turbocharger implemented with a much more efficient variable geometry, capable to improve the engine responsiveness and improve the fun-to-drive experience for the final driver. We wanted to further improve the system, and we implemented a low-pressure EGR gas recirculation system in addition to the existing high-pressure EGR. This system draws the gas directly after the DPF, the diesel particulate filter, and this leads to a much more efficient way of drawing gases. At the end leads to an improved fuel economy and emissions. We wanted to design an engine with much higher torque, better power, and improved fuel economy. The NVH was also improved to improve the experience of every Ram 1500 owner.